Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're not having any sound on your computer and it's either missing or not working. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on how to get your audio back up and working properly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to make sure your system tray audio is turned up. Make sure it is turned on as well. So turned up and turned on. So very first thing. Something else, if you have external speakers, make sure they are turned on as well and turned up. If you have a dial on the speaker device, make sure it's turned up and that it has a good connection to your computer. Something else you want to take a look into here as well, if you're using a web browser, make sure the tab is not muted. So if you right click on the tab and it says unmute tab, go ahead and select unmute tab. So again, your tab might be muted if you're using a web browser and are coming across this issue. Something else you want to look into here as well, open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath options, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the playing audio troubleshooter here. It might suggest turning off sound effects and enhancements, which you can do by disabling all enhancements, just by checkmarking that box and then selecting apply and OK. And then select next again and see if that resolves the problem. You may have multiple devices connected for the speaker as well. That could be a reason why it's not working out of the right device. So go back down to your system tray and select the speaker icon. And if you have multiple devices listed in here, go ahead and select the correct output device. And that's certainly a potential reason why the audio is not working. And if you went through the settings window here, you go underneath system. And then on the right side, you went down and selected sound. You could have multiple devices in here. Just go ahead and select the correct output device. And then you may want to also consider checking for driver updates as well for whatever your device is listed in there. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.